Day 4 making my own fishing brand. Yesterday I got size 5 barrel swivel pack, size 1.5 swivel pack. It's some barrel swivel packs with interlock snap. This video I was about to carve and color this crankbait. But I didn't because I didn't have the wood. So I'm gonna make another one. And make a list of what's going to be on the website. I already drew it, so now it's time to color it. I just got finished coloring it. Now it's time to make a list. The clothes are done, now it's time for the lures. So I just now finished making the list of lures. Peace.